in American Institute, and this is 7 to 9 batch. The guys have completed only 10 to 15 days. So today I'm going to discuss with them guys. So I will ask some questions, basic questions, because they have only completed 10 days. So let's start the video. So actually, yeah, what's your name? Where are you from? Are you allowed to? Are you learning English? Okay, so how many days have you completed here? Now, how many days have you completed in American? Okay, that's nice. Okay, so sir, what's your name, sir?
My name is Saman Kumar.
Okay, are you learning English?
I am learning English.
Okay, are you married or single?
I am married.
How many children do you have?
My children.
I have 2 children.
I have.
Okay, tell me what's their names?
First from Airport. Second
Second. Start together, so then.
Second.
So that's very nice. So, have you taken breakfast?
I am taken.
What have you taken for breakfast today?
I
I have taken.
have taken chapati and sabji.
That's great. Okay, so how do you become American? American कैसे आते हैं?
Bye bye.
Bye bye. That's great. Okay, what's your name, ma'am? Kajal means तेरी आंखों का काजल और मेरी आंखों का? Yeah. So your name is Kajal. What's your nickname? Kajal? You have different name, only Kajal. Yes, sir. Everything is sir. Do you take milk? Are you learning English? Okay, nice. How many days have you completed? Oh, yes, oh yeah, I'm coming to you. Okay, so Harshit, right?
Yes, sir.
Harshit, sir. Okay, so how many days have you completed in America?
I have completed on 15 days.
You have completed 15 days in America.
Yes, sir.
I heard you are going to marry. Is it right or wrong? It's a news, good news or bad news? You are going to marry.
No, sir.
No, sir. Means it's a wrong news.
Sir, no marriage. No marriage.
No marry, no girl, no life.
Sir,
Right, yeah.
sir,
Okay, wait, leave it.
no decided.
Okay. If you marry, so will you call me?
No,
No, you will call me. You will not call me.
I will not call you. Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, what's the name? Okay. When did you go to Lucknow last time? When did you go to Lucknow last time? I went to. निकल गया सर. जी सर. When did you go to Lucknow last time? When did you go to Lucknow last time? आप last time Lucknow कब गए थे? Before 1 month. Okay. You remember what did you take on that day? क्या खाया था आपने? I took. Okay, that's nice. So when did you join American? 15 days in after. Okay. Nice. What's your name, sir? Okay. Are you speaking in front of the camera? So are you excited or you are feeling just nervous now? Excited to speak. That's great. So at the first time you were speaking in front of the camera or second time? First time. So where are you from basically? कहाँ से आप? Ankha. Ankha means? Anokha. No meaning. Ankha, that's nice. जी ma'am, what's your name? Sika ma'am. Okay, where are you from? Did you come American yesterday? Did you come American yesterday? No answer. What happened?
I didn't make it yesterday.
I didn't come. No, no, I'm not getting my question. Did you come American Institute yesterday? Yeah. No, 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 no.
I didn't.
Sorry? Yeah, yeah. What's your name, ma'am? Again, please. Okay, do you offer the namaz? Every day. Okay, what do you get by offering the namaz? Do you believe in Allah? Really? Okay, what do you get by Allah? Please tell me. What do you get by Allah? If you offer the namaz every day, so what do you get by that? Like you said, peace and something. So what kind of books do you read? Quran books? Okay, yeah, nice. That's nice. What time do you get up in morning time? Every day. Great. So does your father go to office? Shop. Goes to shop. At what time does he go to shop? Do you dare to fight with your father? Why? That's great. Suppose your father is going to emphasize you or insist you for marrying. So will you go to against your father or not? Then you will fight. Great, ma'am. That's nice. Okay, what's your name? You are from any college. So do you go to college every day? That's nice. What time do you go to college?
I go college at 9 o'clock.
And what time do you come American Institute?
I come
At
at 7 o'clock.
just 7 o'clock. That's great. And how many days have you completed in American?
I have 30 days.
Do you respect your parents?
Yes, I do.
Why?
My parents.
Why?
Because it is my parents.
Okay, parent is everything, right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you learn from your father especially?
Hard working, he is very hard working. And
What do you learn from your mother?
patience.
Yeah.
Patience how to treat
Others.
others.
Does your mother prepare breakfast or you prepare your breakfast?
So my mother prepares.
Okay, approximately how many hours do you spend in your college?
So I spend my college 6 to 7 hours.
Okay, that's great. Nice. Yeah, so by the way, what's your name, sir?
My name is
Mosir Raza. Okay, how many days have you completed in American?
I have completed 20.
Okay, right. Are you learning English?
Yes, sir. I am learning English.
That's great. So in American, do you speak Hindi or English?
I want to speak English.
Yeah. So in class, you speak in the English or Hindi? In class, when you attend class, you speak in the Hindi or English?
I attend the class Hindi.
Okay.
And I speak English and I understand English.
Yeah, okay, nice, nice. What time do you get up in morning time?
I get up 5 o'clock.
Okay. So have you taken your breakfast? No. After going from here, you will take your breakfast. So you will prepare your breakfast or your mother will prepare your breakfast?
My mother preparing.
Your father will prepare.
My mother.
Okay, okay.
My mother preparing.
Will prepare. Okay, okay, that's great. So how many hours do you spend in American? How many hours do you spend in American Institute? Every day. कितने घंटे spend करते हैं American? 2 घंटे.
I spend approx
2 hours. Okay, that's great. So in Barabanki, if I talk about, so suppose if you want to make samosa, where will you go for having samosa?
I will take samosa soda.
Samosa samosha. What is the price of the samosa?
Approx 10 rupees.
So do you take samosa every day or like alternate day?
I take samosa alternate.
Okay, nice. Sir, okay, great. So what's your name? Some say. So really are you lion? You look like a lion or your name is only lion? What do you think? You are not lion. You are not like, but you look like that. So do you go to gym? You don't go to gym. What time do you get up in morning? 5 every day. How many brothers do you have? 3 brothers. Actually, guys, they are speaking, but really, I'm telling you, they are quite confused. And a little bit they are just scary actually because of the camera. They are just standing now, but quite good. They respond actually today, and now you will tell that how they spoke in this class. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Thank you. And have a nice day.